Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk Raddish Kids subscription or membership. How much money you have to pay if you want to join their membership for your kids. Okay, so you can see over here there is a note like how much you need to pay. They offering right now 6 month, 12 month and 3 months of membership. Okay, and they have right now 3 months of membership also, and you can choose anyone. Okay, and their monthly membership plans starting at $27, and for 6 month membership are in upfront payment of $155, that is approx $25.95 per month. And they have also 12-month membership, and in this membership you need to pay $287.40, and this will cost approx like $23.95 per month. Okay, and the 6 months and 12-month membership are come with the free bonus appearance. Okay, all members comes with free access to Raddish Plus. Okay, so these are the plans and these are the things, this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.